Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch SE 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the location services on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you open the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, the page you should see by default is this one, the settings page. Once you're on the settings page, scroll through it and look for the privacy and security option, and then tap on it. And here tap on the location services. And right here we can enable and disable the location services by tapping on the switch. So turn them on or turn them off. You can also turn on and off the Find My Network feature. And if you enable the location services, you can also enable or disable the option to share your location. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the location services on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.